Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, the 2nd of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather dry and very cold tonight. Rain at times this weekend. Another chance of rain by the middle of next week. Maybe some strong storms. So very active weather continues. Let's dive in. Big trough over the eastern states that pulled down that colder air we feel today. It's a dry air mass. The sky mostly clear across the state. Just a few high cirrus clouds around. And look at that. Yesterday, we had temperatures in the 60s. Today, 30s and 40s at mid-afternoon. Only 34 at Cullman. Birmingham at 41. We ought to be in the upper 50s this time of the year. And tonight will be cold. We're expecting lows well down in the 20s tomorrow morning. The core of the cold air up north around the Great Lakes, the upper Midwest. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Pretty quiet. Got some winter weather advisories for parts of Montana, around the Great Lakes, and that's about it. The southern states, very quiet. Rain for the next 7 days. Total precipitation. Pretty good numbers for the eastern part of the country. In fact, pretty generous numbers around here. This is suggesting rain amounts in excess of 2 inches for the northern half of the state, in excess of 1 inch for the south, with multiple rain events down the line. So here we go, model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Big vortex over eastern Canada, but the heights are rising here. And the day should be dry and a pretty good warm-up. And again, we start the day well down in the 20s, the high in the low to mid-50s, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. So no rain issues during the day, but rain will arrive late tomorrow night. This is midnight tomorrow night, 12 a.m. Sunday. Rain pushing into the western and northern counties of the state. Sunday morning at 6 o'clock, rain covers almost all of Alabama. Should be a fairly good soaking. Rain amounts between 1/2 and 1 inch. No severe weather problems, no ice issues, just old-fashioned rain. And then by noon Sunday, it's over. So looks like perhaps the better chance of rain midnight tomorrow night through about 10 o'clock Sunday morning. Just maybe we'll see a glimpse of the sun Sunday afternoon as the air begins to dry out. And the high Sunday will be in the mid to upper 50s. We'll go to Monday. A dry day, seasonal. We start the day around 30. The high should be in the low 50s. And then Tuesday, here comes the next wave. It looks like the rain will likely push in here Tuesday night. This is Tuesday night at midnight. And again, the GFS keeps the surface low on that front fairly far to the south. And Wednesday, the rain should begin to taper off. But this is not really a severe weather look. But again, the European continues to hint there will be some instability. The surface low could be north of here, and there might be some strong storms involved. It's just too early to call. Once we get the weekend system out of here, we can focus on that. But clearly a good chance of rain and thunderstorms Tuesday night into at least part of the day Wednesday next week. Then for Thursday, cool and dry. Again, the low around 30. The high will be in the 50s. And a week from today, Friday the night, the zonal flow and a dry air mass. And again, we'll probably see a high close to 60. Pretty seasonal. This is the end of the forecast period. Monday, the 12th of February. Big trough in the western states. And again, for us, if this verifies, dry and fairly pleasant. Snow fans, news not good. If you're in Birmingham or Alabama, this is the European ensemble output. 51 members. Of the 51 members, 48 show nothing. 3 show maybe a flake or 2, and that's it. No snow or ice worries for the next 10 days. And the number is coming off the European ensemble. You can see the highs getting back in the 50s for the weekend. Maybe up in the low 60s by Tuesday and Wednesday. And again, after that, very seasonal with highs mostly in the 50s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be posted by Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have these updates tomorrow and Sunday. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.